Get voted back in. Keep your spirits high.
They just got exclusive footage of me sneezing.
Coronavirus, man.
All right, it's on the giraffe's tongue. You know, got COVID tests. Made sure we did it as safe as possible.
Shout out to Fly on the Wall.
7.9 away from ZHC's.
Z, you got the dub. Yep.
ZHC gets it.
I was about to fist bump you, but I was worried we might. All right, there we go. No awkward handshakes this stream. I didn't want to end it at the end.
We're okay.
If you're going to plug the subscribe, you might as well just subscribe to the channel you're watching. I mean, you know, if you're not already, hit that sub button. That'd be cool. You know, I don't know.